In this video we'll show you how to remove front seats on Volkswagen Polo 6 and 2 in 4 simple steps. So this is the passenger seat, but the procedure is the same on the driver's seat. First you have to remove the 10mm nut located in front of the seat. Then you have to use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the cap from the runners. If you see, there is a plastic cap on the right side of the runner. Take it out. So this is it. Then you just have to slide the seat back until it falls from the runners. And then you just have to take the seat out from the car. So if you have heated seats, don't forget to disconnect the wires located underneath the seats. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.